Oh, bro! Whoa! Be careful, it's freaking danger. Oh my god, the G2 Master! So I got myself an armor. Dude! Come on! He looks hella sick in my opinion. I've got new gloves. He looks so cool. Today we're unboxing the 2025 G2 Master. We have it right here. This thing costs 900 euros. I have a discount code for it. 2000 watts dual motors, 52 volts, 20 amps, and a lot of improvements for the 2025 model. Let's unbox it. By the way, I got a new camera. I don't know if you guys noticed. Let's unbox this bad boy. I've never been more excited. I'm still waiting for my knee protection. As usual, we've got a knife right here. Yeah! Oh, there's another box. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my god. This is a heavy charger. Dude! 58.8 volts, 3 amps. Kukirin just got a new charger for the G2 Master. 3 amps. The 2024 got 2 amps. We got a manual. Apparently they have P settings. We don't need it anyway. What is this? No way. Dude! This is a Kukirin toolbox. Look at this thing. Dude, you've got everything you need in here. All the sizes. This is for your motor. Oh, look at this thing. Everyone wanted keys on the G2 Master, so here we have them. I will mount the handlebars in a sec. Put the key back in the box. We've got the handlebars in place. That looks hella clean. Oh, man, it looks so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh no, the bags just ran away. Got them. Everything is changed. The deck is new. I think suspension might be new. Whoa! Finally! Better suspension on the G2 Master. I'm impressed. This thing looks like a weapon. The screen is thinner. Key ignition is finally there. Ooh, it looks so beautiful. Let's put those in. Keys in, turn, power button. Oh my god. Mode 3, dual motor. Whoa! I'm taking off! Oh my god! 59! 60! And this is not even fully charged! This is the new camera. Sony Alpha 7C Mark II. Crazy, dude. Man, look at the difference. Sure, I got street tires on the old one. But look at the deck. Can you see the differences? The logo is printed on this one. But here, it's like 3D. I don't know how to explain it. It's a different piece of rubber right there. Screens are a little bit different. You can see how the old one is thicker than the new one. Let's roll. Deva! We just arrived in Deva and man, it's freaking raining! Why is it raining now? I got my armor on. We got police car, okay? Yo, I think we found them. No way! Yo! What's up, dude? He's on the G2 Max. He's on the Lime! What? Yo, what's up, dude? What's up? No way! Dude, we are so many! Dude, what the hell is happening? What's up? What's up? What's up? Dude, I was not expecting so many people, dude. Like, honestly. What's up? What's up? What's up, dude? That's police right there. We are with the G2 Master 2025. Chloe is on the G2 Ultra. Yo, he got the same G2 Master. Aim guy is on the Angua. This guy's with the G3 Pro. The legendary scooter. What's up, dude? Oh my god, that paint job is sick, dude. Just look at this. We are so many. W Deva, dude. He also got armor. I got armor under the t-shirt, dude. They want me to sign their stuff. On the phone! Dude, you are on a flat! Dude, what is happening? We just invaded the damn city! Again, I was not expecting those many people to show up. It's always that I'm only expecting like, what, 5 people? And everybody's showing up. Yo, that's freaking nuts, dude. Dude, why is it raining like that? Whoa! We have full battery right now. Hopefully it is gonna last. Look at him, look at him! Nice! Look at this, dude. We are so many. Yo! Whoa! Drift zone! Oh! Dude, this is the first ride out in a freaking thunderstorm. Be careful, dude. Be careful, please. Whoa! Yeah. I mean, what the hell is happening? It's heavily raining right now. Some of them don't even have fenders. We're gonna know if the G2 Monster 2025 is waterproof or not, though. The weather should be like sunny right now, but no, it's raining. Biggest ride out in the world in freaking rain. Here we have it. Nobody cares. They're all still enjoying it. Yo, 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 yo. Dude.
Like deva.
Yeah, W Deva, dude. Oh my god, dude. I just wanted to get up there. It doesn't matter, dude. We are enjoying it. Clau is popping some cool wheelies right there. We are waterproof as humans. Yo, yo, yo. He almost had a crash. Yeah, it's waterproof actually. Not gonna lie, I'm enjoying this. I'm actually enjoying this. Wow. That's some skills on an iBot. Oh, dude. Bro. Let's switch to dual motors. Same guy.
Is it the 2025?
Yeah, this is the 2025. Oh, dude. Dude, how do you like Deva so far? It's not raining! Come on. Dude, I freaking love the G2 Monster suspension. It's so cool. I'm riding the G2 Monster in single mode and it's so powerful, I feel like I'm riding in dual motor. I am so impressed. In my opinion, the motors are a little bit more powerful. I don't know. I freaking love the G2 Monster. I mean, it's so clean. Just look at this. Whoa. Dude, what the hell are you doing? Oh, bro! Bro! No. Dude, are you okay? Are you okay? Dude, they're so chaotic, like they don't know how to coordinate themselves. To be honest with you, I am so glad to be on the G2 Monster right now. This thing got everything. It got power, it got range. All of them are like screaming so bad. Like, what's wrong? Look at them. They're all enjoying the road. Ooh, dude. He almost got into that BMW. We are riding together. I mean, what can go wrong? We're in a safe environment, no cars around. This is also private road. Dude, they have so many hidden paths. Like, what the hell? I will get lost in seconds. That's police right there. Dude, they don't care. They don't care in your town. They don't care. In my town, I will go to jail. Look at this guy. He's just a vibe, dude. That's so cool. That's so freaking cool. This is the skate park. Bro, do a flip. Bam! Ramps! Whoa! Okay, this is fun actually. This is freaking fun. What are you doing? Dude, he just fell. Dude, that's freaking wild. He's the stuntman of the channel. Just look how many scooters we got in here, dude. I just cannot believe my eyes. Come on, guy, try out the G2 Monster. Show us what you've got. Dude, the quality is so sick on this camera. All of them are enjoying the stay. Yo! First try? No. Come on. Yeah! He learned. Whoa! Nice, dude. Yeah! Chloe is also doing the same thing. That's so cool.
He looks like noodle.
What's he doing? He's being the goat. That's what he's doing! Dude, I got my camera so wet. Hopefully this is weather sealed. Yeah! What? Everyone should have this kind of skate park in his town. We actually don't have. Whoa, we don't have such a cool skate park as they do, but we are still enjoying our city. Both of them. Oh my god. Come on. G3 Pro. Nice. And G2 Master. Dude, I think your screw is kind of out of place. You should get it back. Whoa. This is wild. Hopefully I'm not gonna die by trying to do the jump. Here goes nothing. Whoa! Dude, the brakes on this G2 Monster, they're freaking wild. I'm so impressed. Just look at it, dude. I'm a street photographer. Can I take a pic? That looks clean. One more time. Wow! Dude! Oh my god! Dude, are you okay, bro? The G2 Monster! Oh my god! Dude! Don't fall. Oh my god! Be careful. Whoa! Golden shot right here, golden shot. They're gonna synchronize. Perfect sync. Hell yeah! Nice! Let's get moving, guys. Let's get moving. Come on. We got down to 53 volts. Hell yeah! That's what I'm talking, dude. Finally, good road. Come on. Dude, Clau and Dame guy, those are the best wheelie guys ever. And I can't believe I met them. Whoa. We're going on a forbidden bridge or something. We also had that in Arad. Yo, forbidden bridge. Am I gonna fit? Hey, oh, I did. Dude, he's going with a flat tire. He got mud all over his back. That's so sad, dude. Yeah! Dude, this is freaking insane. What? Dude, I can see the entire city. Dude, this bridge is sick. I freaking love it. Wait, is that police in front of us? They're heading towards us. I don't know if those are cops or construction guys or anything like that. Bro is building something. Yeah! Dual motor! Come on! Come on! 51! If I'm sleeping, I'm dead. Even with my armor on. Yeah! Fit. Yeah! We are heading towards the fortress right now. This is gonna be so fun. Interesting bike lane. It's red. Whoa! Dude! That was freaking dangerous. Cloud, don't! Oh my god. Dude, we've got sun. Can you believe that? Dude, we are all so happy we've got sun above our heads. The entire sidewalk right now, it's a bike lane. That's so freaking cool. Like, it's so wide, you have enough space to ride on. And they don't need to ride on the road. Even though police doesn't care in their town. That's the fortress, you can see it. I think it's time for dual motors in here. Dual motors, yeah! We are doing it. Oh my god, this is a 35 degree incline road. This is so freaking steep, dude. Oh my god, I cannot believe we are doing it. This is where the G2 Master is shining. It got so much power in the dual motors. You can do this on single motor too, but it's way better with dual. Oh my god! This is a 40 degree incline road. 40 or 45 actually. Dude, I cannot believe I'm going uphill this way. I'm full throttle right now, going 31 kilometers an hour. Go on. Another G2 Master. And the G3 Pro. No problems. Dual. This was on single. How was it? No problem. They are struggling so bad to get up here. That's why you need the dual motor, dude. You need it. Go. You're getting a Kukirin? Okay. And the G2, go. You're doing it. Yeah! Kukirin power, dude. Angot also got no issues. No way, it's free entry. Dude, I'm vibrating. That's it. Oh my god! Dude! This is freaking amazing. Cloud, be careful, dude. What are you doing? You're on the edge. We are almost to the very, very top, dude. I'm so excited. Oh my god, this is a 50 degree incline road. He's doing it. Oh, I cannot believe I made it. Wait, this is a wooden bridge. We are on wood right now. Whoa! Aim guy! Come on. Dude, this fortress is freaking wild! Just look how cool it is! Leave the scooters here. We are about to go to the edge, which is right there. Look at this place, dude. Oh my god. No way, dude. Oh my god, dude. I heard the thunder sound right there. Dude. Oh my freaking god. Damn. Dude, what are you doing? Bro! Cloud is right on the edge. That's freaking dangerous. And this is the damn view. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can understand how huge this place is actually. All the scooters are staying there. Come on, let's take off. Oh my god. Dude, the wind is so strong. We are so much up in the air. I can see the entire place. Let's go. Dude, look how cool this view is. Dude, this fortress is freaking huge. Dude, I'm above the clouds. I don't know if you can see this. Oh my god. Dude, I can see the entire place. Dude, I can see the entire city. That's it. Oh my god, the mountains are so cool. This right here is some of the best views I ever got in my entire life on the drone. Let's land the drone. Let's get back to the ride. We are so much up in the air right now. Oh my god, dude. Dude, look at these. Whoa. Come on. Dude, be careful on that scooter. Go. Dude, dry asphalt for real. Finally. We are on dual motor right now on the G2 Master. This thing got so much power. We are going 50 kilometers an hour already. Also, they improved the e-brake in such manner. It's just smoother. I don't know how to put it into words. If you want a scooter that can do it all, go for this scooter, dude. You won't regret it. Never. I just received free shawarma. Deva, dude. They are all enjoying their food at McDonald's. I hope this camera is waterproof though. Wind, thundered, rain. We've been to a skate park where chaos happened. We've been to the fortress and that was wild. This is real proof you can do a ride out everywhere, in every single city, dude. You just need your friends out with you. You got this guy. Yo, dude. You are so wet. We've been riding 23 kilometers on the G2 Master and it still got half a battery. So I'm expecting around 40 to 45 kilometers. This is the best scooter you can buy in 2025. Special thanks on the G2 Master too. So, Lucas Mikos, YZ125, Wheel, Borna, Banana, Coron, Rory, Vodka with the 3 hearts, W Vodka, Borna Domjankon with the 2 hearts, Tehraz, Aimlane, Gamer Mako with the 2 hearts, Commander with the 2 hearts, Tommy K1, Marco Mihai Ping Pong, Lil John 555, Murray DJ with 1 heart, ESPXN, Willy by Oscar, X Mars with the 2 hearts, Glide and Ride with the 1 heart, Noel, Alex, Borna Domjanko again, Mr. Starvarg, I love you, dude. Mwah. UCB13, Gaming Zone, Mark Mar with the 1 heart, Sina, Andre Porumbin with the 1 heart, Sotos on the G2 Ultra, Marian, Mr. Elliot with the 1 heart, Sukram Pier, Was30 with the 1 heart, Sifis, CPCFML, Olu, Mateus, Kamik with the 1 heart, Kukirin 3 arrows, David, Blue Pepper, some random guy, thank you, Biggie, Altandy with the 2 hearts, Borna again with the 3 hearts, Oliver Quicks, Colin Fitzpatrick, Castan, XX Michael, Mati with all the hearts, Aram, JBL Nicholas, Calentino, Kukirin Lover. You guys are the goats of the channel. You make the dream work. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching till the end of this video. You are absolutely amazing. Stay tuned. Please stay safe.